Wow. Jake. Hey. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Daddy, hi.
Yeah.
Tell Daddy hi. Tell Daddy hi.
That's his bashful look.
Hey, Jake. What you doing, huh, right there?
Get his cheek. Get up on his chest. Frankie. Frankie. Where'd he go? Where'd Frankie go? Hey, look at this thing over here that I got. Oh, there he is. Did he read your book? Frankie? Did he read your book?
Oh, Barney. Yeah, it's a Barney book.
Did he read a book?
Did you read a book?
You don't want Dave to read Barney to you? Yeah, that's Barney. Yeah. Read it to you? You don't know? You don't want to know what it says? It says bedtime songs. Bring it here, Dave. Read it to you. I'll give it back. We'll read it together. Yeah, we'll read it together. I'll give it back to you. Okay, how about you hold the book and I'll read it. Bring it up here so I can see it, and I'll read it to you. You can hold it. No? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep, they're working. You hear them? Put your ear here. Here, put your ear there. Hear it? Here, we'll read the book. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle. Oh, okay.
Mean boy.
You taking that with you? Okay.
Jake, what got going on down there?
Belly.
I'm gonna get that boy. Hey. Hide. Oh. Uh-oh. Help him out then. No. Don't let him come back in there. Put those in the trash, Frankie. Put those ones in the trash, bud. Yeah, throw those ones away.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Mama doesn't understand, I know. Yeah, here. Just put them in there. Go ahead, put them in there.
Frankie's good boy. Big boy. Pee-peeing on the potty. Jake, you tell Mama hi? Hey, tell Mama hi. Hi there. Oh, tell Mama hi.
Grab those.
Oh, where'd Jake going?
Yeah. No, that's no good. Here, Daddy, hold this. Go get it.
No.
There you go. There's one more behind you. There you go.
Frankie, wanna rock? Get in there. Get in there. Sit like a baby. Whoa. Whoa. Jake. Jake gonna record himself? Oh. Frankie. Oh, uh-oh.